Hi, in this video we will cover JavaScript syntax and rules. We will go over what are comments. We will understand what exactly is JavaScript declaration. We will understand that how JavaScript is case sensitive and how it affects the JavaScript statements, and of course the order in which JavaScript runs, which is from top to bottom. Alright, so let's start. Hi, so now I'll first start with what is commenting. Okay, so if you want to create a single line comment, okay, you use double backslash. So use two double backslash, and this basically comments out the single line statement over here. Okay, if you require to comment multiple lines, okay, what you use is use backslash and asterisk over here. So if I were to like delete this, you can see over here that this is no longer commented out. Okay, so I'm just gonna comment this out by putting backslash asterisk and backslash. Okay, now the purpose of commenting out is that by commenting out, JavaScript does not read this as any code that it needs to execute. So it views this while it's going through your code, but it doesn't act upon it. Okay, so that's the purpose of having comments. They're useful because developers can then understand that what exactly you're trying to achieve over here. Okay, now I will come to what are basically JavaScript values. Okay, so in JavaScript there are a lot of keywords. Okay, and the keyword var is used to declare variable. Okay, so when we use the keyword var, we can assign we can create a variable. Okay, a variable can be any name, so it could be the word hello, it could be numbers, and I can name it anything. So by using the keyword var, I declare that this is going to be hello is going to be a variable, and then I assign it a value. The value is either a string, okay, or a number. Okay, so the values are, because they are fixed values in the sense that they are fixed, that it's either a string or a number, and they're also called literals. Okay, now one important thing to note is that JavaScript is case sensitive. Okay, so if you notice over here, I will explain to you. So I'm using the function alert, and I put this variable hello that we just declared. Okay, and I'm going to show that once we execute alert on the web page, on the HTML file, it will display this value hi there. Okay, but in case we if we make a mistake and we have a spelling error, okay, and because JavaScript is case sensitive, by changing this from small caps to capital case, you will see that it is unable to execute this code hi there. Okay, so just hold on. Alright, so I've opened up the syntax.html file. Okay, so now as I mentioned, I'm using the alert function, and the variable that we declared was hello. So when I click refresh, so you can see over here the variable that we declared, the value that we declared was that the value that we assigned was hi there, and that's what's displayed over here. Okay, now if I were to comment this out and I put alert over here, let me comment this also out, right? So, and now you can see there's a typo. I'm using capital case instead of small case. So when I click refresh, okay, it just doesn't appear over here. And then if I click function F12, so now you will see in my developer console that it's informing me that I've made a error, because what I've defined over here, as you can see, it's also mentioning which line I have error in, and this variable hello is not defined correctly. So you can see it's not defined at all, because this is small h and this is capital H. Okay, so let me comment this piece out. Now another thing that's important is that JavaScript, right, runs from top to bottom. So let me comment these two alert functions. So let me now refresh this. So you see first this hello gets displayed over here, and after that this next code is displayed over here. Okay, so just remember that JavaScript always runs from top to bottom. All right, thank you.